Welcome back, and now news from sports. Niraj Saripalli is sitting on the top of the standings in the Fomento All-India FIDE rating chess tournament after 7 rounds of the competition at Miramar. Niraj was in joint lead after round 4 along with fellow Goan Anirudh Bhatt and several others. But after round 7, the duo of Niraj and Anirudh with 6.5 points each have pulled ahead of their competitors by half a point. Interestingly, there are 4 Goan players in the top 5 and another 2 unrated players in the top 35.
After the 7th round, Niraj Saripalli is sitting on top with 6.5 points along with Anirudh Bhatt with 6.5 points as well, followed by Goa's Nitish Belurkar and Rajeshchari, Maharashtra's Dheeraj Patil and WCM Riya Sawant in 6th, all of whom are on 6 points apiece.
It's day 3 of the All India Fomento's National FIDE Rating Championship, and I have with me the Chief Arbitrator, Mr. Chogule. Sir, how has the tournament been so far? आज तीसरा दिन रहा है, तो टूर्नामेंट कैसा रहा है आपके व्यू से?
एकदम एक्सलेंट टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है. ये FIDE रेटिंग, रुद्रेश्वर FIDE रेटिंग, ऑल इंडिया FIDE रेटिंग टूर्नामेंट, इसमें 196 प्लेयर्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं. उसी में से 80 इंटरनेशनल रेटेड प्लेयर्स हैं. तो अभी आज 7th राउंड कंप्लीट हो गए. अभी कल लास्ट 9th राउंड तक फिनिश होता है. इसमें
टैलेंट और कंपटीशन के तौर से देखे जाए तो कैसा रहा है ये टूर्नामेंट आपके व्यू से? अच्छा रहा है टूर्नामेंट? टैलेंट अच्छा रहा है
इसमें? टैलेंट अच्छा है कि बिलो 2000 रेटिंग टूर्नामेंट है, बिलो 2000 कैटेगरी टूर्नामेंट है. इसी हिसाब से इसमें अच्छे प्लेयर्स आए, पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं. ऑल इंडिया लेवल से 10 डिफरेंट स्टेट में से दिल्ली, राजस्थान, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, MP, AP और टोटल यानी 10 डिफरेंट स्टेट से प्लेयर्स इसमें आए, पार्टिसिपेट किए.
अगर देखा जाए तो बहुत से टूर्नामेंट्स रहते हैं लेकिन दे आर नॉट अंडर 2000 FIDE रेटिंग का. सच टूर्नामेंट्स हेल्प सच प्लेयर्स, यंग प्लेयर्स को हेल्प बूस्ट करते हैं और एस्टेब्लिश्ड प्लेयर्स को भी बूस्ट करते हैं क्योंकि उनको बाद में अपना रेटिंग पॉइंट ऊपर ले सकते हैं.
क्योंकि ये कम दिन का होता है, बिलो 2000 रेटिंग में टाइम कंट्रोल कम होता है, इसी वजह से, और इसको एंट्री फी भी कम होता है. तो यंगस्टर्स को ये बहुत अच्छा चांस होता है कि कम दिन में और कम एंट्री फी में होता है, इसलिए उसको मोटिवेट मिलता है बच्चे लोगों को.
आपने बहुत सारे टूर्नामेंट्स देखे होंगे, आप चीफ आर्बिट्रेटर रहे होंगे. ये टूर्नामेंट का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और माहौल कैसा रहा है?
ये बहुत अच्छा टूर्नामेंट यानी कि कंडक्ट किया है रुद्रेश्वर ने, और ये फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हैं. इसके साथ ये टीम वर्क बहुत अच्छा इसका है, और मैंने आज तक बहुत सारे टूर्नामेंट दिया है. ये बहुत अच्छा इसका सराउंडिंग है और इधर AC हॉल में टूर्नामेंट कंडक्ट किया है.
That is the chief arbitrator. The tournament has been very good, and tomorrow is a very exciting finish for the FIDE rating. With video journalist Devendra Gaonkar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
The tendered upgradation projects for the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda and Tilak Maidan are receiving good response. Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director Elvis Gomes told Prudent the tenders have been floated on the website, but sources say big companies have shown keen interest in the projects. The tenders for the Tilak Maidan will be opened on 3rd September, and Elvis has committed to release the work order within a day's time if everything is in order with the proposal.
Desperate times call for desperate measures, and Elvis Gomes is well aware of the lack of time at the authorities' disposal for the Lusophonia Games infrastructure work.
Have there been any companies that have approached you, and when can we see the work orders being released?
See, this is all e-tendering. E-tendering means entitles anyone to participate from anywhere in the world, and we do not come to know about it until the date of opening comes. But from outside, whatever information we have gathered, many companies have shown interest in the 2 projects that we have already tendered.
When is the date of opening?
In one case, it is September 3rd, and the other case is roughly another week after that.
The I-League clubs and you had a meeting along with the IMF officials. Has everything been sorted now? How the I-League is going to be panning out, and where the first match?
Yeah, as far as the first rounds are concerned, I have allowed the use of Nehru Stadium because from tendering perspective, the work would not have begun at that particular moment. And then immediately we plan to complete the work at Tilak and then shift the activity there. I have allowed the use of Nehru Stadium again for the Pro League.
How long will it be open for?
See, we roughly plan to start the work at the Nehru Stadium sometime in the third week of October. And therefore activity could be permitted of any kind, whether it's I-League or Pro League.
And you're saying 3rd of September, the date of opening the tenders for Tilak. When can the work orders be seen and when can the work actually?
Work order will be can follow even within a day.
Meanwhile, Goa Football Association sources confirmed their partnership with ProCam continues as marketing partners for the Goa Pro League. Goa's professional football competition is yet to find a title sponsor though. However, it is not the lack of interest from sponsors but several companies along with long-standing sponsors Kingfisher who are all trying to vie for a piece of the Goa Pro League title sponsorship. ProCam are trying to accommodate them all, say the sources. With senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
2 helicopters of Indian Air Force crashed on Thursday morning in Jamnagar in Gujarat. 8 Indian Air Force personnel were killed in the tragic crash. The helicopters had a mid-air collision. Meanwhile, spiritual leader Asaram Bapu had a narrow escape when the helicopter he was travelling in crash-landed on Wednesday at Godhra in Gujarat. The chopper landed on its nose. However, all on board survived unhurt. Watch it. Tragedy is similar, but the lifeline matters.
Once again, the spotlight is on the M17. It was supposed to be the better version, combining both the technical aspects of the Mi-8 and the Mi-24.
That's right, Preeti. These were the information that we have. It's not been confirmed by the Air Force yet, but these were the new build Mi-17 V5 helicopters.
Day after the private chopper carrying him crashed in Godhra and Gujarat, dramatic video footage that you're seeing right now of the crash shows just how close a shave he had. All was well till the chopper began its descent to the college ground. These dramatic visuals show the helicopter losing balance. There you can see it, falling from a height. The impact was so severe that the chopper was reduced to pieces.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.